Hello guys, Brampton is having a 2 G2 test route. We'll go both route one by one. Come on, first we'll go to route number 1, then we'll go to route number 2. Let's go. Okay, let's go to Brampton G2 test route number 1. We'll park here, we'll take out from here, take left, and then go on this side, left side, and then take a right here. We'll take, usually they ask parallel parking, 3-point turn here. We are going to skip this one right now. You can watch my another video for 3-point turn and parallel parking. We'll take a left from this stop sign. And here you go, there's a small street is coming from the side. You have a look on there. From this stop sign, they will take you either left or right. Route number 1 is we're going left. So we'll take first left from this stop sign. And then second route we'll take a right from this stop sign. Take left here, left indicator. Look around. First Gulf Boulevard, first stop here. Check both sides. No one coming. Yeah. Take a left. Go to the first lane here, then change it to right. Look around and then change it to right. See, light is green. We can take a right from this traffic light. Yep, it's our right of way. We will go right here. Yeah, it's a Biscayne Avenue and its speed limit is 50 here. Go to 50 only. Don't go exceed speed limit. Don't go too slow also. And it's 50 speed limit here. Look around, look all the driveways. Don't keep on looking straight only. There's so much traffic during the weekdays, so make sure you see everywhere. And it's 50 speed limit here. And in between, some examiner will tell you to pull over on the right side here and do this one uphill and downhill parking. So they will tell you to pull over somewhere here and then do uphill and downhill parking. And we'll go straight here. Speed limit is 50 here. Don't exceed speed limit. Check all the driveways when you're passing through. Don't look just straight only. And next stop sign, we will take a left. Next stop sign, we'll go left. Left from the stop sign. First stop here completely. Yeah, look, no one coming. Again, take a left here. Take a left and go to the first lane here. Then speed up and then change it to right. And see, it's written there maximum 40 when flashing. If this light is flashing, it's 40. So it's not flashing right now, it's 50. It's the first Gulf Boulevard. So if it's not flashing, it's 50 here. So if it's flashing, it's 40 here. During the school days, it's flashing. See this first traffic light, we will take a right there. It's a Kennedy Avenue. Take a right from the first traffic light. On Kennedy also, speed limit is 60 there. And if the light is flashing, it's 40 there. And first red light, first stop your car here completely. And then go further ahead. Check. No one coming. Take a right here. See, it's written here maximum 40 when flashing. So it's not flashing right now, it's 60 here. We'll go to 60 here. And some of the examiner, they brings you back from this parking lot inside the test center. We'll go straight, we'll go from the Steeles Avenue and see speed limit is 60 here. We'll take a right from the first traffic light. It's a Steeles Avenue and we will take a right from the Steeles Avenue. Let's first, there's a green already, no pedestrian coming. If any pedestrian coming, just make sure look for them and take a right here. And from the first traffic light, we will take a right. And the second route will go straight. We'll take a right from the next traffic light. And the first route will go right from this first traffic light. We'll go right here. Light is green. We can take a right. It's our right of way. Take a right here. Then we'll take a left from the next stop sign. So there is signal blind spot. change into left. There is stop sign. Stop here. It's all way. It's not written all way, but it is all way. See, all the sides have the stop sign. Take left here, and next stop sign again. Take a left here. So we'll take a right here. Take a right from this stop sign. Stop completely. Look around. No one coming. Go right here. And take a left from this stop sign. Left indicator. Look back. There, signal blind spot. No one. No one is coming from the side also. Yeah. See, this side don't have stop sign. Left side don't have a stop sign. We'll take a right from this into the parking lot. The pedestrian are crossing. Make sure treat pedestrian as a king. When they are walking, just stop. And then the examiner will tell you take left here. Go down, take left here. And then they will tell you take a right here. Take a right. And park anywhere on the right side. Park anywhere on the right side. And that's it. And park your car. Then the examiner will tell you to congratulations, you meet ministry standard today and you pass your test. Okay, let's go to route number 2 in Brampton. Your car will be parked here. We'll take a left here, and then the examiner will tell you to take a right here, and then stop sign. They will take you to right and do 3.10 parallel parking. We are going to skip that part. You can watch my another video for the parallel parking in 3.10. And we'll take a left here. See this street here? In route number 1 we went to left from this stop sign. Now we are going to go to right from this stop sign. Right here, right indicator. So stop sign, first stop here completely, complete stop. Then go further ahead. Look around, no one coming. We'll take a right here on the first lane here, and then speed up. When it's safe to do so, change into left. Yeah, and then examiner tell you to take a left from the first street, that's Biscayne Avenue. We'll take a left here, and see cars coming. Wait for that car. Yeah. We'll take a left here on Biscayne Avenue. There's one truck is standing here. If you are touching yellow line, you can put indicator on and then come back to right like this. And then speed limit is 50 here on Biscayne Avenue, and somewhere here, like in front of these Mandarin and other streets, they will tell you to pull over and do uphill or downhill parking. On this street they will ask you uphill and downhill parking. Somewhere here they'll ask you uphill and downhill parking after pulling over. And speed limit is 50 here. Don't exceed speed limit. It's 50 here only. Then examiner will tell you that from the next traffic light we will take a left. And when you're going through this one, check all the driveways, look at the cars that are coming from the sides, keep an eye on them, don't keep on looking straight only. And they will tell you to take a left from this traffic light and enter from the white line. Don't touch yellow line here. Enter from the white line, and light is red. We will stop here completely. Stop here. Light is going to change to green soon. Wait for this light to turn to green. And when you're standing here, look both sides, keep on looking around. Don't just look at the light. And light is green, no one is coming from the front. So I will take left here. Take a left, go to the first lane here, and then speed up, look around, and then change into right. change it to right. Yep. So it's a First Gulf Boulevard and you have to drive in a rightmost lane. Speed limit is 50 here, but it's written there like maximum 40 when flashing. During the school day, this light is flashing. So if it's flashing, go at 40. If it's not flashing, go at 50 only. And don't exceed speed limit. Right now it's not flashing, so we can go to 50. Our speed limit is 50 here, and the next traffic light they will tell you to take a right. Okay, it's written there Kennedy Road South, so we'll take a right from the next traffic light. Yeah, first stop at the red light, completely stop here, stop completely, then move further. See anyone coming? No one coming. I can take a right on Kennedy Road. It's written there 40 when flashing. So it's not flashing, it's 60 here. If it's not flashing, 60, flashing 40. And it's 60 here right now. It's not flashing. And when you're passing through, just have a look on the other driveway. Some of the examiners, they may take you right from this, the entrance from the parking lot from here. We're not going from here. We'll go straight from Steeles Avenue. We'll take a right from the Steeles Avenue, and if the light is red, light, stop completely. First stop completely. Yeah, see any car coming? Yes, cars are coming. For sure they are coming. I can see the buses also coming. I have to wait for all of them. Yeah, now it's clear to turn, so I can take a right from the Steeles Avenue. Yep, good. And speed limit is 70 here, go to 70 here. And on the route number 1, we took a right from this traffic light. On the route number 2, we are not taking a right from this traffic light. We'll go straight here, look around both sides, have a scan the intersection, and change it to right. Right. Yeah, and we'll take a right from the first traffic light. Look like somebody is standing in the lane by mistake. That's okay, give them a space to go back. Yeah, be a courteous driver on the road. And take a right here. Light is green, I can take a right here. Yep, we'll go straight here. Light is green, we can still go straight, look around both sides, take a right from this traffic light. From the first street, we'll take a right here. Yeah, that's the light, we turn a right here, and make sure don't skip these stop signs. So people are usually very happy after passing the test. When they drive, then they think that they drove very good, they pass, they skip this stop sign. Make sure don't skip this stop sign or next stop sign. And again, stop at the stop sign. We will take a right here completely, and then turn right. Then they tell you to park somewhere here. They will not ask you. Usually they don't ask any back parking here, but be prepared for that one also. They tell you park straight on. And park straight here. Okay, congratulations, you meet ministry standard and you pass your test. This is what I hope this video is going to help you to pass your test. If you have any question about the test route or anything, any question about the driving, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chawla.